Naming conventions are really great. Every client gets a code, and it is a combination of their initials. So in every single document, you'll get that 3-digit code, and then a space dash space, and then the name of, paint plan or foyer rug or whatever it is, and it's very clear, and everything is side marked the exact same way. Like, it's just all the way through. It's the same. The binders are coded that way on the sides. Everything.
Yeah.
Asana is all coded out with the naming conventions.
Yeah.
Yes. And so the Google Drive, if you're that organized, you can drill down. I want House of Funk, I want clients, I want this specific client, I'm going to the hall bathroom, and then I can open that in a tile store and be flipping through the pictures of the hall bathroom on my phone while I'm shopping for tile for that hall bathroom. So that means I don't have to go back to the office, print a bunch of pictures, I can be driving back from a client meeting and be like, oh, I'm right here by the tile store, perfect, I'm gonna pop in and see what they've got. I know I have everything I need to shop for any client, like an as-is situation, on my phone.